Welcome back to our 15-day Sanskrit reading challenge. Let's quickly see how far we've come. On day 1, we met the Sanskrit vowels and learned to recognize their sounds. Let us look at them once more. On day 2, we learned matras and how they transform consonants. On day 3, we began reading the first two vargas, ka varga and cha varga.
Namaste. Welcome to day 4 of our 15-day Sanskrit reading challenge. Today we are going to learn two more groups of Sanskrit consonants. They are tavargaha and tavargaha. We will learn the first 4 letters of each group, practice their sounds, and then use them to read simple Sanskrit combinations. We will also learn an important difference between these two groups, the retroflex and the dental pronunciation. So let us begin with tavargaha, the retroflex group. This is tavargaha. It has 5 letters. Today we will learn the first 4. The 5th letter, na, will be introduced separately in our lesson on the special nasal sounds, anunasikaha. So for today, let us focus on these 4 letters. The first letter is ta. Its sound is ta. It is a retroflex sound. Listen carefully. Ta. Now you can try. Ta. Correct. The next letter is tha. Tha. It is the aspirated partner of ta. More air flows and we stress the letter when you say it. Listen. Tha. Tha. Now listen to the difference. First one was ta. Second one is tha. Again ta. Tha. Yes. The third letter is da. As we did in the kavarga and chavarga, the third letter is mridu vyanjan. So its sound is a bit soft. Da. Listen carefully. Da. Now you can try. Da. Excellent. The fourth letter is tha. It is the aspirated partner of da. Da with more airflow. Dha. Now you can try. Dha. Now let's repeat this second pair. Da. Tha. Again. Da. Tha. Da. Tha. Excellent. Now let's read the 4 sounds of tavargaha together. Ta. Dha. Da. Tha. One more time. Ta. Tha. Da. Tha. And remember the 5th letter we are going to pronounce later. Now let's move to the next group, the dental group. This group also has 5 letters. Today we will learn its first 4 letters. The 5th letter na will be introduced separately later. So let's focus on the first 4 letters. The first letter is pronounced by touching the teeth. The tongue will touch the teeth while pronouncing this letter. Ta. Its sound is ta. Listen. Ta. Yes, now you can try. Ta. The next letter is with more airflow. Tha. Its sound is tha. It is the aspirated partner of the first letter tha. Listen carefully. Tha. Now you can try. Tha. Now listen to the pair to see the difference in pronunciation. Ta. Tha. Again, ta, th. This entire 4 will touch the teeth when we pronounce it. The third letter, as always, like the first 3 varga, it is Mrudu Vyanjan. The. Listen carefully. The. Now you can try. The. The fourth letter is th. Th. It is the aspirated partner of the. Listen carefully. Th. Now you can try. Th. Now let's practice it together. The pair. The. Th. Again. The. Th. Wonderful. Now let's read all 4 sounds of ta vargaha together. Ta, tha, da, tha. One more time. Ta, tha, da, tha. Now comes an important point. The sounds in these 2 groups are different. The sounds of ta vargaha are called Murdhanyaha or retroflex sounds. For these sounds, the tongue curls slightly backward. The sounds of ta vargaha are called dental sounds. For these sounds, the tongue touches the upper teeth. Listen carefully to know the difference. Ta, 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 ta. The second line, tha, 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 tha. The third pair, da, 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 da. The fourth pair, dha, 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 dha. Excellent. Remember this simple difference. Ta vargaha is murdhanyaha or retroflex and ta vargaha is dental or dantyaha. Now let's put our reading skills into practice. Look carefully at these letters. First letter is ka, then it is the new letter that we learned today, ta. Together they form kata. Now it's your turn. Kata. Yes. Next, ta and ta. Together, tata. Tata. Yes, repeat after me. Tata. Now look at this. Ka and tha. Katha. Katha. Correct. Katha. And here is a word using a matra we have already learned. First letter is ka, second letter is tha and the a matra. So we have to read it as kadha. Kadha. Correct. Notice what you just did. You didn't memorize the word. You decoded the letters and read it. That is exactly what we are learning to do in this reading challenge. Now it's your turn to do the homework. Answer these 5 questions in the comments below. You can type your answers using English letters. And for question 5, tell me how you would read this word. Let's see how many of you gave all 5 correct. Wonderful work today. You have now learned the first 4 sounds of ta vargaha and tha vargaha. You also learned how to distinguish retroflex sounds from dental sounds. Tomorrow we will move to pa vargaha and continue building our Sanskrit reading skills. Until then, keep reading, keep repeating and keep practicing. Shubha Dina.